Like I told you, I'm not here to hide anything. Everything I know, I learned somewhere, okay? And someone asked me a question, how do you connect all these lights together? Very simple as blinking of an eye. All you have to do is use a DMX cable. DMX is digital multiplexing. And let me show you one of the cable. This is DMX cable. It has 3 pin, and let me show you. That's 3 pin. We have 1, 2, 3. So you meet your technician so that they can connect the polarity well. Once it is well connected, then you're good to go. So your connection will be in series. So for example, if you're starting your connection from this fixture, you link to this fixture, you link to this fixture, to this fixture, and like that. The end of the last fixture, you take your DMX cable to the mixer, which I just did, to the mixer, and you're good to go.